Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix any DLL file missing error in Windows 10. First method is type DirectX in browser search bar. Click download DirectX end user runtime. Click download. Open downloaded file. Click I accept agreement, click next. Click finish. Second method is open any browser. Type missing DLL file name. In my case I am searching xapof_1.dll. Click xapofx15.dll download. First find your system type. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64. Click Download. Open downloaded zip file. Copy DLL file and paste it into System32 folder. Also paste it into SYSWOW64 folder. If 32-bit system only paste into System32 folder. Restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. Type exit. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.